How to integrate Cardinity into Prestashop. First, to avoid any disturbances during installation process, we need to change the permissions for the modules folder in your Prestashop main directory. To do so, navigate to your Prestashop main directory. Find Modules folder, right-click it and choose Properties. Go to Security tab and click Edit. Make sure that the group or user under which you operate has write and read and execute checked. For Linux, write the following command to Linux terminal: chmod -r777, and then the path to your Prestashop modules folder. For example, /data/prestashop/modules. After installation is complete, do not forget to change the permissions back. Next is downloading the Cardinity plugin zip file. Go to www.github.com/Cardinity. Find and open Cardinity Prestashop repository. Click on Releases. Choose the plugin version and click on it. For this video, we will be using the latest release for Prestashop 1.7.x. Download the zip file of the plugin. For the installation, there are two methods. First, method number 1. Log into your Prestashop admin panel. Go to Modules, Modules Catalog. Click Upload Module. And choose the downloaded zip file. After installation is complete, click Configure. Enter your consumer key and consumer secret, which can be found at your Cardinity account. Click Save to complete the installation. After installation is complete, do not forget to change back to permissions of Modules folder. If method number 1 does not work for you, you can try method number 2. Extract the downloaded plugin's zip file. Copy the extracted folder. Paste it into the Modules folder of your Prestashop main directory. Next, log into your Prestashop admin panel. Go to Modules, Modules Catalog. Search for Cardinity. Click Install. And then Configure. Enter your consumer key and consumer secret, which can be found at your Cardinity account. Click Save to complete the installation. After installation is complete, do not forget to change back to permissions of Modules folder. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us by phone, email, or through our website.